It is currently 10 p.m. on Monday, February 28th, 2022. Figured I'd grab a quick video of a congestion heat pump running in heat mode. And of course, with my luck, it shuts off on me. I just kicked back on. So this is take two. My 2008 Goodman heat pump running in heat mode on a 40-degree night. Actually, it might be colder than that, but just running in heat mode. I'm hoping I can catch one more defrost cycle of this unit before the official end of the season. All right, my phone storage just met its limit, so I just took care of that. And it has been a while since I last made a nighttime video of this unit running. And I think the other heat pump on the other side of the house is running as well, but with its location, I do not feel like squeezing through the bushes in order to get to it. And of course, this unit has not ran since the cooling season. Might fire it up next weekend, given that it's going to be almost 80 degrees. It's going to warm up early this year. And in case you haven't noticed, the energy guides are mixed up on these units. This one has the heat pump energy guide. This one has standard air conditioning energy guide. Almost 4 years ago, I crossed out central air conditioner and wrote heat pump to correct the mistake that the manufacturer made. But of course, it's worn away almost completely. All that remains is like the little ballpoint of the marker. Some wet spots on the coil. Oh, ice is forming. I don't usually see this unit freeze up. We might get a defrost cycle tonight. And of course it shut off again.